future scholars. In today's video, we are about to unravel an incredible opportunity, the University of Oxford Clarendon Scholarship for 2024. If you have ever dreamed of studying at one of the world's most prestigious institutions, you're in for a treat. We'll be diving deep into this scholarship, covering everything from eligibility criteria to the application procedure. So let's get started. As you can see, the University of Oxford Clarendon Scholarship is not just any scholarship. It's a golden ticket to one of the world's oldest and most prestigious universities. This fully funded program doesn't just cover your course fees, it opens a door to a vibrant, diverse, and intellectually stimulating academic community. The University of Oxford is located in Oxford, England. It is one of the world's oldest and most prestigious institutions, and it offers a wide range of courses for undergraduate and postgraduate students across various disciplines. It's a very versatile university. It's having a very vibrant cultural and social scene with numerous clubs, societies, events that cater to a diverse array of interests. The University of Oxford is a symbol of academic excellence. It helps you to make your future better, and it is producing many intellectuals and many leaders and scholars who are making a very significant amount of contribution to society and the world at large. So who can apply for this scholarship? This scholarship is open for undergraduate and postgraduate students. You can go for master's or PhD programs. All subjects are available for this scholarship. You can check out their website. I have linked in the description box down below. You can go and check that out as well. What are the key benefits of Clarendon Scholarship? Your course fees will be covered in full. It is a fully funded scholarship. You will receive a generous grant for living expenses throughout your fees and liability period. There are no restrictions on nationality or field of study. Both full-time and part-time DPhil and master's programs are eligible. Clarendon scholars are chosen based on their exceptional academic achievement and potential. If you are a student who is having a very good academic background, then this scholarship is for you. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. The main three things that will be considered are your academic records, your future potential and aptitude, and your motivation. International students of all nationalities can apply. You should be having an outstanding academic track record, typically with at least a first-class honors degree or its equivalent. There are different age limits depending on your level of study: 25 for undergraduates, 35 for masters, and 40 for doctoral candidates. You must have completed the relevant qualification for your chosen degree level. Let's demystify the application procedure for this life-changing scholarship. You will need to apply for your course by the December or January deadline. Depending on your program, academic staff in your chosen field will assess your application to your course. Simultaneously, academics in your department will nominate candidates for the Clarendon Scholarship. The top-ranked nominees from each division are shortlisted for the Clarendon Scholarship. If you are selected, you will receive a scholarship offer letter securing your funding provided you meet the condition of your offer. In April, May, and sometimes in June, Clarendon Partnership Awards are matched to scholars based on awards requirements. Each scholar will receive a funding breakdown letter known as a CB2. Successful candidates will be notified via email by the end of April. If you don't hear back by mid-June, consider your application not selected. Don't be disappointed. We are going to upload many scholarships for you that you can, so don't forget to subscribe our channel to keep updated, and also gives a thumbs up button if you like this video. The University of Oxford Clarendon Scholarship isn't just financial support, it's an invitation to join a community of excellence and embark on a transformative academic journey. Don't miss this opportunity to make your mark in the academic world. Check out the link in the description for more details and to start your application. Remember, greatness awaits you with the Clarendon Scholarship at the University of Oxford. So that's wraps up today's scholarship spotlight. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more scholarship updates. You should also check out our website that is given in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe our website to get the notifications on daily basis. And your dreams are within your reach, so keep striving for excellence. Good luck.